Hi guys, welcome to Dhaatri Solutions. Today I came up with a new project called Food Wastage Preventive. Let us get into the project description which gives you a clear understanding of this project. So, we developed this project to reduce food wastage and promote food donation. In this project, we have here three main modules like admin, donor, and user. Let us see the flowchart of this project. So, this is the flowchart of this project. Here, the admin will log in with the predefined email and password. After login, the admin will add the food and the added food can also be viewed by the admin. Now, the donor will register and log in to the application with the registered email and password. After login, the donor can also add the food and donor can also view the food which are added by the admin. Now, the donor will donate the food according to the food that the donor had. He Donor will add the donates and admin view the donates according to the donor donates. According to the donates, the admin will create a meal and the created meal can also be viewed by the admin. Now the user will register and log in with the registered email and password. After login, the user will view the mail and user will request the mail to the donor. Now the donor can accept the meal request or donor can reject the meal request. And all the requested meals can be seen in the view requested meal. If donor want to accept the meal request, he donor will click on the accept button. Soon the user can pick up the meal from the donor. So this is the flow of this project. So let us get into the application. Now I am logged in as an admin. By giving the email and password, I just logged into the application. Here, the admin will add the food by giving name, image, and description. Click on add button. The added food can be viewed in the view food. I'm adding one more food item here. Give the description. Click on add button. We can see added food in the view food. Now the donor will register second name, donor email, donor phone, donor password, and address. Click on register. The donor was registered successful. Now the donor will log in with the register email and password. Now the donor can add the food and donor can also view the food which are added by the admin like this. Now according to the food the donor had, the donor will donate the food biryani food and I have the quantity of 10. Click on donate. The donated food can be viewed here. And I'm also donating another food item like pizza and quantity of 2. So donate. We can see in view donates. Now the admin will log in and create a meal. And admin can also view the donates. Now I'm just creating the meal. Creating meal title as lunch and selecting biryani and pizza. Here we can see that biryani we have a quantity of 10 and pizza we have a quantity of 2. So that the meal should be created only 2 plates. Means the pizza will be close. The pizza count will be reduced. Create meal. In view meals, we can see that available plates was 2. Automatically, it was generated according to the meal and food we have. We can see that in create meal, the biryani quantity was 8. As pizza was created, we don't have the pizza food. Now the user will get into the action. Firstly, the user will register, second name, email, phone, password, and address. Click on register button. Now the user registered successful. Let us log in with the registered email and password. Now soon the user will view the mail and user will request how many plates that user need. I am requesting 2 plates. Click on request meal plate. Now the donor will get into the action. We can see requested plates in view requested meal. We can accept the request or else the donor can reject the request. Now I am accepting the request. That the request was accepted. Now the user will log in. We can see that the meal request accepted means the meal was taken by the user. So this is the main perspective of this project. Hope you guys understand about this project. Thank you.